This 2015 Itasca Solei 34T is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, leveling jacks, stove-top burner, TV, awning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, oven, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2015 Itasca Solei 34T is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.